Hello everyone, we got home from our trip to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We got home Wednesday, June 5th. This video is going to be of our drive through Roaring Fork Motor Trail. It was a Tuesday evening, June 4th, 2019. It is another one-way loop, but it is a wooded park where Cades Cove is more open with mountains in the background. You're still up in the mountains. It's a shorter drive. It's close to Gatlinburg. It doesn't take very long to get there. There was some fire damage just off Chamberlain Road from the wildfires in 2016. There's a lot of charred trees there. But this drive we was able to capture some baby black bears. So as I was filming out the driver's side window, my wife had her phone out the passenger window, and these bears were in a big draw. So we really couldn't see the mama bear, but you always want to know where she is. So we found where she was at the bottom of the tree. We focused on the baby black bears. Couldn't get all three of them, but we got one climbing a tree, which is really cute. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to put her video that she filmed at the very end of this video. It's of the same black bear climber. She got a little bit of footage and got some of the mama in there. But she doesn't film much, so she was excited. You're going to hear the excitement in her voice when she spotted the mama bear. She's telling me where she was. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. For everyone else returning, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get to it. Alright, it is Tuesday, June 4th, 2019, and we are on the Roaring Forks Motor Trail. This is one of the areas that had a lot of the wildfire damage. I don't know if you can see some of the charred trees down there. If not, I'll move over here and try to zoom in. Just like that tree right there. A lot of charred trees in there. I remember reading about or watching some videos how they said the Chamberlain Road area had quite a bit of damage, so a lot of fresh undergrowth. As you can see, there's a lot of trees destroyed on this side. But still, you still get some phenomenal views out here. So my first time on this trail too, just like it was on Cades Cove, so hopefully we can catch some wildlife this evening. So let's get going down the road. Alright, we're at one of the pull-offs along the Roaring Forks Motor Trail. Just like everywhere else, you get nothing but awesome views. Got the birds in the background. Big valley down there. Mountains off in the distance. Just simply beautiful. So far, no wildlife, but we're going to continue on and see what we can see. Alright everyone, we got lucky and we got some baby bears in a tree.
The mom's on the ground.
She's saying the mom's on the ground, so let's zoom back. Alright, there's another one climbing.
Another baby frog.
Let's see if we can find Mama. He's climbing up to the others. So there's three up there. Simply amazing. Awesome. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm free-handed out the driver's window. Still trying to find the mom. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. We are still on Roaring Forks Motor Trail. You can hear that water down there. Just a loud roar as the water crashes down. I apologize for that bear video being shaky. I didn't get out of the car. I was just trying to film out the window and trying to get in the best I could. So it was a little tight fit trying to video those bears. So I apologize for that, but I'm glad I got them on video. Mama really never did come out to give us a good view, but got the cubs, so that's all that matters. We're gonna move on down the road. Just another stop along the Roaring Forks Motor Trail. Just love hearing that water run. Just another view along the Roaring Forks Motor Trail. Simply beautiful.
I think Mom's at the end of the tree.
All right, everyone.
Mom's on the ground. David, Mom's on the ground.
Some baby bears in the tree.
The Mom's on the ground.
He's seeing the mom on the ground.
Underneath the tree. There's another baby. Come on. You see him?